Hi, Rad. What you doing?
Putting in this weather stripping. If I have to do this 3 times like everything else in this car, I'm going to shoot myself. In our case, installing the rails was not a big issue, but it had been so long we'd kind of forgotten. These pieces right here, all this came off, and I had them powder coated. I sandblasted them, had them powder coated. I'll put the link below. The guy in North Richland Hills did a real nice job. But they came back a little out of shape, to be expected. But we test fit them first. This first piece here goes on with rivets. It's simple enough to do. And then as you go into the roof rail itself, it's a 2-man job. And test fit it. Take your time. Don't be in a hurry. Test fit it, and you'll see where everything goes. It fits together just the way it's supposed to. It's not a big deal. It's a little flimsy, so it's easy to bend, and that works in your favor. Because if it gets manhandled or if it's bent somewhere in the process, it's easy enough to bend back over your knee and it doesn't mess up the metal. You know, you just got to make sure of all your fits. Test fit it. It may take a couple times to get it just right. But then when you start screwing it in, it all works out pretty good. So, easy enough to do. Just take your time. It's going to be okay. I was concerned that the screws wouldn't fit well. They'd be wallowed out and wouldn't tighten up. But actually all the various stages of paint, you know, the primers, the paint itself, the clear coat, they kind of filled the holes in. So everything tightened up fine. There was no issues with the screws being stripped out. I didn't really think about it, but all the paint worked in our favor.
Well, it's just those 3, so yeah. Or if you find any screws or... Okay. One big nail. Good to go. Good to go. Bada bing.